These photographs look really good. I haven't done any landscape for a while, so yeah, decided I'm going to do it. Right, sunset or sunrise? What time's the sunrise now? 5 a.m? Sunset it is then. Need to be at a location about 2 hours before. Location I want to go is about an hour away, so that makes it 3 hours before sunset, so leave about 6 p.m. Nick, we got anything planned for the weekend so I can do a sunset shoot?
Yeah, Martin's got football and you need to pick Chloe up from her friends.
Sunrise it is then. Alright, so need to be at location an hour before, an hour to get there, 30 minutes to get ready in the morning, so set the alarm for 2:30 a.m. 2:30 a.m. 2:30 a.m. That's a stupid time to get up at. I could do the sunset and wait till next week. No, the weather next week is bad. Well, the week after. Oh no, I can't. I'm doing a late shift as a favour for the boss. I can't keep putting it off, so yeah, sunrise. I'll do a sunrise. What location? No, that's better for sunset. Same there. Been there too many times, so no. What can't I just pick a location? Come on, just pick a location. No, stop changing your mind. Just stick to your original location. Let's check the weather. Friday looks good. White cloud, little wind. Right, up early tomorrow, so let me just recheck that weather. Oh, well, that's changed. Full cloud with a chance of rain. Let's check another weather app. Well, same. What about a different location? Ooh, that could work. It's further away, so extra half-hour travel, so wow, up at 1:30 a.m. I could travel down now, sleep in the car. Shame I didn't have a camper van. Maybe a different day then. Ooh, Sunday looks great. Better check the camera equipment. I think these batteries need charging. Now, what lenses? Tripod, that's a must. Filters. Right, time for an early night. Alarm set for 2:30 a.m. No, 3 a.m. I still have plenty of time to get there and extra 30 minutes sleep. Oh, why can't I sleep? Come on. I don't want to be tired. Sleep, sleep, sleep. What the? God, I'm so tired. This is unreal. Oh, I'm going back to sleep. Oh, God. That's where I was going. Oh, for fuck.